Yeah, Suresh, can you just explain to me what exactly is the problem that we are talking about here?
So this was the one of the covers which was given to us for binding, and we did a regular crease and on the binder, and then we tried to open, and it's done in the QC part. So to try to open from the crease and then check how the binding is.
We are basically talking about some of the covers that we are handling now.
Yes.
Nowadays, you are seeing cracking happening when you open the cover.
Yeah.
And it's got nothing to do with the grain direction.
Yeah, a little bit, because that's a basic part. Now this cover, the grain is correct. So even after that, why this is happening?
So can you show how the cracking happening?
This is the crease done.
Yeah.
And when we try to fold from the crease part,
okay.
Now this side is laminated, so not a problem. The inside portion should not be laminated, and you normally do a 180.
Okay.
So, while opening.
This is ideal to be done before you pick the cover,
Exactly.
and so it should be part of your SOP system where.
Yes. Now you can see.
Oh.
You can see this. There are a lot more. So, and you can see on the printing. This was supposed to be on for comparative.
Yeah.
You can see this.
This was before, and once you open the crease once or twice, then you will start this cracking happening.
Exactly.
And I think this is also making a lot of publishers ask printers not to do the creasing.
Absolutely.
And what exactly has gone wrong? I mean, we never faced these kind of issues in the past. Why is it so?
The coating done on the paper. There are basically two types. One is a filler loading. So filler loading happens on the manufacturing process.
Are you talking about what is happening at the printer's premises or at the paper?
No, from the paper manufacturing.
Okay.
At the manufacturing stage.
Yeah.
So the filler loading happens when you mix certain calcium carbonate, TiO2, talc, all this to the pulp, and then the uneven surface is filled, and you get a finish good for printing.
This basically you're talking about the coating.
Exactly. The second type of coating is quite interesting, where what happens after manufacturing, it goes to a separate surface coating. So the same material is being used on a particular machine to pour it on top of it. Then they'll use an air knife to create the layer.
Similar to the aqueous coating or something that we do. But this is done at the paper mills.
Okay. Once the paper is done.
Yeah.
So that is quite interesting because people get attracted to such kind of cards because that gives more finish. Very good for printing. But ultimately it is increasing the weight. So you're paying money for China clay and things like that.
Yeah.
So that's none of our business. But here, this coating, depends how it is adhering to this fibers. And if that is not done properly, so this is the problem which is going to create. And that
so is this done at the paper manufacturer?
Not exactly. This can be done as a second. They can buy some paper, or I can start a business for coating. So I can buy cards and paper and then get it coated and then again repack it and give it to the.
So how do you know? I mean, how does the customer know?
Customer really needs to talk to the paper manufacturer and say this is my concern, and they can get a clear picture of it.
Okay.
So rather than just talking to the dealers, and the dealer also might have not known from where these papers are being sourced. So
that's a great insight.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And one more thing to show in adhesive binding, you can see when you apply this simply peels off, and if you just put it under a lens, you can see the printing is come off.
So this is like the old compatibility test which you used to do for
any adhesive binding. So that is something now. Here this coating has gone off with the printing, and it is stuck. And now the fiber is visible. This is the original
paper.
What do you call paper?
Yeah. Okay. So will this happen inside where the adhesive is coming in contact with the?
Yes. So after book binding also this can probably simply peel off. So that is something which needs to be taken care.
Okay.
See, this is simply broken.
Okay. So this has got nothing to do with the adhesive compatibility. It's basically that the layer is coming off along with the adhesive.
Yes. Adhesive compatibility is, it should, if the adhesive comes out smoothly without disturbing the base of the paper, then that adhesive is not compatible to that cover.
Okay.
Here it is pulling off the top layer, which is the coating done on.
Yeah.
So that's a different case.
Wow. Thank you.
Yeah.